Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign into Coinsmart using your desktop. Before beginning, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by going to your web browser, and as soon as you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in www.coinsmart.com. Press the enter on your keyboard. You'll be taken to the home page of Coinsmart, which looks like this. Go and click on the login link at the top right hand. Once you do that, you'll end up in the login area. Go ahead and enter your email address that you used while registering for your Coinsmart account. After you do that, head over to the password field. Type in the password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right side. In case you don't remember your password, click on this forgot link at the top and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you've not signed up for Coinsmart yet, you can click on the sign up for an account link and follow the instructions to register yourself to a new account. After entering all of your credentials correct, click on the login button. Now, you'll need to enter your 2FA code. Simply go ahead and open up your Google Authenticator app on your smartphone, or you can also open it up on your desktop. Simply type in the code in the text box from your Google Authentication app. And there you have been logged into your Coinsmart account. Answer some of the questions that will be asked to you. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.